Hi, I'm Tristan. I'm from Southford Chevrolet. I'm one of the technicians here, and today we're going to go over checking your oil. Alrighty, so today we're in the Camaro SS here. So we're going to check the oil life on it, and to do so, without starting the vehicle, you can hold the start button here for about 10 seconds roughly. Oh, even quicker, perfect. Turn the music off. All right, and we're just gonna scroll down. Perfect, so right here is where it shows it here. The bottom left, it's the same for most of these Chevy vehicles. Alrighty, and to open it here, there's just a latch right in the middle, super easy to get to. And this one has the hydraulic, so it'll lift up. You don't need to use any of the sticks to hold it up or anything, so that's super nice. Alright, and we're gonna start with showing the oil level here. Pull up the dipstick. I'll do a first wipe off just to make sure don't get anything you shouldn't breathe on there. Just slides it right back in. Hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Pull it up, and then you can check your oil level right there. Now, because this vehicle hasn't been running for too long, it's gonna say that it's a little bit low, but usually if it's in between the hashes there, it's a relatively good amount in there. Look, actually I can just use the dirty side for now just to double check. Alrighty, and if you ever don't know which type of oil you should be using, usually on the newer models, right on the cap, it's gonna say it right along there, Dexos. Remove it, pop it. Pretty simple there. Obviously the oil that we use is specifically made for it, the Dexos 0W40 Supercar, obviously because it is the Camaro SS. To fill it, you would need a funnel. We don't recommend just pouring it willy-nilly in there. So, also in this, we are going to be going over checking your engine air filter. Doing this regularly is very good. Obviously, if you get an oil change from us, we also do check your filters every single oil change. Making sure that it's clean, obviously, it's going to help with how your engine runs efficiently, and will help with price at the pump there. Alrighty, so for this we would need a Phillips screwdriver. On different vehicles, some of them is a 8mm socket. So it all depends on what you're working on. For this you will need the Phillips. Start by unscrewing all of these. It's a little tedious, but it is what it is. Alrighty, and pull that up. Obviously be very careful not to just absolutely reef on her. And look at that, nice, white, clean, nothing dirty. You can pull these back a little bit to check inside there. You'd be surprised what you'd find in here. Yeah, obviously this is looking good, so you wouldn't need to replace it. If it's dark or anything unusual, probably a good chance. Obviously, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always bring it by the shop as well. Yep. Okay. Alrighty, and that is our video on how to check your oil level and everything here. Obviously, if you say that you watch this video, you will get a 5% discount off of your next oil change. And if you have any suggestions or you want to learn anything new, feel free to drop a comment and leave a like. And with that, I'm Tristan, and I'm from Southford Chevrolet.